mo se mo ya me Ghana ni am mo me bre saa afei so opposition is time na mo de ye no esua mo expand no na me so me ni omo ya adwen it just say baby say areas bit say adenta say omo afiri ho na so me am famu ebusa ye no come here say omo anyam ya anya no edo so say omo ye mpo so what you say and sham kakra me ye nche say wo de mo fam records na mo hwe you know the number of people in that constituency check the number of people amaye amaomo and do ko aka opposition is time ni so me no mo ya adwen mpanifo mo extend the time no na obi antimi nya card bi afei so mi se meti ami ho mi de wa alajo ha de fena alajo no aburo bosumi nie card no me nsan kan na no ye se di mi aba mi mo bi ko hwe ya o se me de nka ho na minim se e bi ye Ghana force ni bi mu dia o ma menti ase Ghana card na ho nsam doso da bia me beta fidie so ka se ye se enkrofo na ye ebi mu agi sika ebi mu agi nkrofo sika eye mo mo ye timi ka se apon na so de sika ba de ni aya ama no me ba to tembe kra na mo pon empani fo mu ye hu tembe pa na se omo register ni pa for card no omo pon aya 3 aya 4 aya 5 mu ma ye hunu HCC mama yani muni nkomo muni nkasa me card kra ba me de ma hu se me card na ba ya se text message be sin ne me de me nya text message bia kese emaye it just say ya no mo particulars mo je telephone numbers mo je bibia enti adenti na mo timi ne communicate say aba ana emaye ebeba da say ana da say me ya me de wa lajo be sin ne me nsa enkae afei yase ahoho register ahoho ade omo ho agim minim so bi betema ahoho ene obroni fita otintim krata betema ba Ghana ni ene wo ho nemom en kram second say enipa bia omo nya Ghana fo esa se ba bia gisika nti omo tua sika ade omo ho shakard nim Ghana panifo omo nsore mama we su mayansa manka kire sa ho be dimuti sakadi ya tuagu asa ko boka ko ye foforo ebi asi pen ba ko ye no now the health insurance card ne ko ye ma ho later o maka kire say health insurance no kra no ahoho kra gi bi more enti no enye valid biem let's not wait now we so ya boka opetepete pp bed ye ho e de ye no ye be ye wie de ka kire say ahoho be dim enti no card we ba ye invalid card no we ka ho am wo me ensa Ghana card nko a se me giwe ya maje me ensa atamesi gi emami bi mahama emami bi enna we so abayi it is me ni ya shegu ask yourself say how much money was involved card ba kunu hu bi da kwese wani bobi so awa hu bi da ya ye bi da da e bi da so go se sia me ka sai e wona san identification for so ye aye botugu ye why you botugu ye de besin ne me kwa me obo de minim ya bo card ni gu ye ni nyina so aye kekese o computer se ko fa ye ha nipa baby wo kwa chiche ma omo seko ne new tanya other areas kwa de ye ma omo card no they issued the card but those cards are invalid now because they are not even using the records for the old one to give the new one. You need a new record GP one address and then nyoma ye possible benya database media me makko school kakra etinim data ho mfa so jade am ye na ban ye ni je ho na mmom mum ye nya ni yie na dachi bi man kan kire se anya yie eti ahomate na so ko sala no ahyeagu because ya sabida mama tam kwase card ba ko bare mama wo ye ma card Ghana card bia eti ya srampanifo entia me manya ne se ahoho bi etua sika start aboso kan me de betu dwama mfi me okwabani se twa pictures be kire me a ekrofo etua sika ba bia ye registration no obi etia sesa pepa ne bia firi ho akoba bi foforo eye man krofo Ghana card ya enti taxpayers money ya dey ye enye empadifo botom sika enti mun hwebani nko yie opposition ni say mun twit emranim before say it is a call in the right direction. It's say me see baby ma free ho no go back and revisit the place. Now say enipa dodo sign enya akwanya ye card ni bi. It's say ebi wa kwa say yes ye 40 pe ya che number wie. The entia obi a me mente has a memory of honor. Me area we call 4 times because the numbers number. Now I'm not part of the numbers, so I can't be part. So I should go home 4 times. And I'm so I had a bema jumum to me be. And it's a house of choir. I put 1 month near Cardinal and my Alajo and I'm a choir media. But seen there Cardinal and my text message be a mammy force me phone in here Cardinal and my 1824 Slamo Sikatia Chiano Motion was some coming. Baby, o my yawie, o my disconnect the yawie. The akano, ya say the more di no muninko, ni akadema ho ban. Ebeti me a, momfa nkofofo bi nko jejina ho a, obi akrompo ni se mo kamo ho. No mo monitor every station there ba ko ho. No mo monitor anema enko yie no, na mo famre mo. Abrofo a eje card. So o ma naturalize a minim. Wo broni fita. Ya say Harvard help broni fita ba di bi ko. Wo broni fita. So we naturalize ya fine. Na say sikatua bi so na ekoso e na nkrofo gi sika no e na omo yema nkrofo a omo nya Ghana fo a eno so ehu e dangerous. E don say card we say metiase yie pa this same card na e be migrate health insurance akokoshe so ye de bank detail eni be bre na ekosa card ne so eti ye ma hoho bi kwan e ma ne be gibia ye ma lota ni bi kwan ma ne be shem ye ma togo ni bi kwan ma ne be shem a e be kwatia yen oman na nkasa West Africa, her countries in the Brewa. A say Edinburgh, Omo no, Omo Pegana a passport. Me have met somebody, I can say, met my born man and Ghana passport. I've met a couple of Nigerians, they are ready to pay whatever for Ghanaian passport. Because elsewhere, who could also a Ghanaian who say, we will be cool. A crowd as sell Mudi, our mind be so. I know, and yes, secret. There are some nationals, almost sell Mudi, our mind be so. Let you know, on person who Ghana nimu. Since you Ghana card, first now you have insurance card. They said I beg Ghana card. So would you be 10 million Ghana card? Because with the Ghana card, you can access Ghana passport. Everything about Ghana. And I didn't remember my friend Niagro. Say me bia humana. Say card no ye bia mami hu. Unye bia mami hu. Or how ufam or card no bia mami hu no. And that's a young chairman in the problem answer. Yeah, engineer so that is what the media is supposed to do. And yes, I try my about watching no. The number 10 radio so I to channel. And yeah, you man kwano no. Say see a good sukosu and never been call your mama hu. So what to me area, mami hu, ultimate ye bia, mami hu. The American South yes, yeah. Omo Jessica, more Ameriwa partner more chat Ameriwano. Oh, na wako school na onim GP one address. Abroni nim na obana say, o kana so nima. Na wo ye tua ka say ye registration no. Na odi abro na tem. Ya make us out here. Ese so nya abotre, adwuma na mo ye no. E nipa ho adwuma, ese nya abotre. Now you say me call Santa Maria area baby. Ya pon ya nya biem obi afri hanko mu gyan konso am say watwe nya adwuma. Why did na konso? Why did na konso? Mpenifo what to such say who number who the number there kofie say hey na me bu ya fu na me sorry free onyesa kama menya ban asem ade aga ne makoma boile na impose mu nya biem kra you should know how to talk to them. Hey monko who number who the number there won kan hwe de okyere adwuma na mo ye no nya ncheyen adwuma na mo ye no mo nya emfa ncheyen muntie ni ye mon form of frustration and contrast you say mo ye Ghana card man crofo monitoring is very very important. What you say and penny for Ghana card as well for mo monitor wo dey mo bi work better volunteer ye nyi sika bia mo my station ye ko gina hodi and some for akoso no ye atwotwo na dia brem mo ma hoho e me card yi so am ye nkasa card we so ya to atwene ya to mienu agudada Ghana card no ya ye mienu atu agudada media be wo me bag wo dey be me ba be kyerɛw ya ye an ko si aga we dey be si aga enti mo ma yi bia me hyem awo me hyem mo gigi sika e ma wo me hyem Kana Asempa 94.7 030-221-6545 030-221-6546 Wamani ye diem ti ye nyina ye wa ha o mpe Ghana nsin obi a o mpe Ghana ensin obi a ye ma wadwuma na ya ba adwuma ye se ya ye ho na ye da bia na mu di politicians atem hello
Gakwan
Ibacho good afternoon
Afternoon.
But you didn't be free.
I don't know why.
But card na about area na.
About me area, but the media first, but the me thank
Oh yeah, first batch. How could you be?
First, I mean, you can't me cost about 20. You move by and come for the year cost 20. But me thank media.
And Tom say why? Almost say why?
Because donor council be 5 times. Almost me go head office. That is the Quatico house. It's in your
Card is here to you, and I'm saying, Hoji. Mudika, Mummy, I tell you, Hoji, I didn't be a first batch on his cafe, don't call headquarters.
I almost me go headquarters. Now, what the my honor me,
I'm my lawyer fan.
That's why me, if they're who wants to be there. Wake up my call twice, Grammy Banker.
I had a bag and Nika can well. You, Martin, if you know this, will have a meteor before for so how 03022165545. Hello. Hello. Because you know we are in enough for before bra. 03022165546. Also, problem be our registration will be a me. As answer Ghana no be a many year my hello. Bacho, good afternoon. Bacho, card no account there.
Oh, Baba, Madam Saka, Medina. Okay. Tanya, how can one? Also, last time was also quite a number, beer, TT, I microphone and send your car. Baka, my Manila and baby, Kakaka, Bia, Bakame. Ghana for you ready, say, you do good idea. And yet Ghana card, and I know can the chest of your Ghana card where you share. Near being medical custody or Cassata, my memory and Papa was sentenced in Master Inye. But Okako Kane will be back to you between Hoodin and 10 young lady. So what you say? In the end, we have Papa Black, we will be apart.
Chasam Cassa Yamako who be there. Chasa say, Ukasa GPS, and one would cry. Anyone was out. Hello.
Good afternoon.
But good afternoon, didn't be free.
From very free time.
I don't know what you do.
Oh, I'm in Sakamedia.
Bibiako 5 mile.
I confirm mobile near Minu or in Tokapa.
And Tokanka saw baby, I don't know.
And yeah, easy. We got that hot 3 days. So, up to now,
still on the Sankai. Now, you don't know the now, the terms are.
Sir, maybe guys, almost almost first badge, almost the name mine. Now, yeah, you're being each day, now, yeah, the number.
Wash me, I'm a media first, no, media, dear mine.
It's no more, I'm go water region into Open Joe Kada. This is a train, either call head office, and as on move the now, maybe we know what Joe Card is one in well, so call head office.
Wash,
no.
And now, some opposition say, on for time, make a crank on a time in this.
Time is almost a movie, I sentence. I will be the various sentence. Who are we able to go for there? I don't know.
You almost said the IAT. Young fat for front, I am sure you also. I will a car phone 03022165545. Hello.
Yeah, brother.
Yes, master.
Yeah, I'm better for you.
Oh, and I'm not better for Bibiawa call.
Me up to now, we got a sign line and I'm also 150, 180, and up to me. Now, maybe Okosala now to 180. 180, 150. Obi to go sign line and you make 6 o'clock. I think it's almost a national ID. Now, Mr. Minamin Tigo from last year. Now, you can say the time is home. The year you say, Mr. Minority and I say, over many big towns, I mean, no, when you have the year up to 2019, I have to go see that. Yeah, because of the national ID. Kakra said, Mebo, Kakra says, see, we are already a better than your sentence. Be a want to walk for you. Anna, Nipana or move to any national ID. I know for Kakufu, another officer, I got a Canadian. I don't know Munya to say, yes, the man say, I got a Canadian. I don't know what am I. You might say, Mamma, but the amount I bet if I'm not telling Cano. You go straight to Asempa 0302216516546. Fabian Cow. Hello.
Hello, Black.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Pom to say.
Pom Yapa.
The young fancy, and then me first time I know Casa. Me Asempa, Papa.
Asempa.
ni jemu asan se ade a nya bia nya hwehwe ni mu ya ade a nya na Ghana card ya wo kan se me de me koye no omentimi ani nse hu se be ankyere me because me na ade bia me hia bia me de koye me ni koye obi pese o kire se na we na se nka o ye ni sei na o ye ni sei bra kwa me ni ma ba kwa me de mani hu se em se ni awodi nkankan na se ye mu bi kura ye volunteers na ye call hwe ni ma mo because adijeni adisen na ni mo ye e wo ho no time the wife dey say ono de na di ye bosumi mi no ansa na nsaka oh eni mo ye na tatan inji so mo betumi afa kura ye nji sika kura mbo ye ba ko scout mo
yeah so o man hu hia yen you say betumi afa afrefo twa to kura number is 03 yeah hello abadada but good afternoon
good afternoon the me can say me pato sadi we say by me can say freedom na sadi we say by na me pianda dem on ntinu la de na omo ye no na me nanu dwum kaka na me ye boko de ko hon me kwa kwa se omo ka se omo pon fo ko ntinu omo nya bibia bio bigina ho a mo register mi pa be tu esam hu zo mo anya
o ko ye na wo na ye o ye okuta crutches no o mo tell so mo pon but o mo ye man crofo foforo
na enkofo tu di mani ma o mo ya ma wo on no mo ye ma wo mo me ya anya ma me
ade ne cross ye simpanifo ne ayare fo ba aya mo mpe mo hwe minim se aka ho saa se omo afi no na omo nti apo no ne aba time ba mo mpe mo hwe
Cabo, me ma defisa ma me nana edum kakra bi na me so me laze noa me koya o manya ma me
they say the unique card ni bi wa hu ana ye de free importem ana da so wo importem wo
o ma free o de dada
wo de nya abotre o mo so mo ye on benye centers amamo a wetimi at your own right time no wetimi aye bokoro akwa yi bi why bien so nyankopon ma ensa wo yare emfa ma ye odofo am say emre no aye be sabre fire for nso edwagumu a ye fa bi wa Asempa de amamu midia ne kwame obo ade program no ye kanawu sanse ensamfu yahin nyame ama adwoda ba ye besan abehia biom Quinsta ono team fidie na chi a otwa to Facebook na manim da so kama ona na edinu momon twidi mami Andre Catherine so etachire pakwasi big time producer oni ya yisa ana mutintim ne man de man na ye nso a kasapole fo ya betrem ne ababa mu de agu ha enti adwoda nyame adoma e besa hia hwe wo so ye weekend yi na semo anto me da se ema moniti adehye